YIZUMI is present in Polish market for already almost 10 years. We are very good known brand on Polish market. We have sold already almost 50 die casting machines. The biggest one is 1,650 ton.
I was happy about the fact that YIZUMI presents machine series LEAP on the GIFA show this year. It is a breakpoint for me because I consider LEAP series as a big step forward to be competitive here in Europe. I am talking again about machine architecture, shot unit performance, Orca control units, etc.